All right, we're going to do another example. Y equals 4 x squared times the square root of x. Okay, in order to take this derivative, why don't we just go ahead and change this radical sign? So we have 4x squared times x to 1/2. Okay, now we have the same base here, so we can add these. 2 plus 1/2. So we have 4x 2.5. All right, so now let's take the derivative. 2.5 times 4. I'll go ahead and write that. 2.5 times 4, x. 2.5 minus 1. All right. 2.5 times 4 is just going to be 10. And 2.5 minus 1 is just going to be 1.5. And there's our answer. Okay, let's do another example. Y equals 4x squared minus 3x all times 2x cubed plus square root of x. Okay, now I don't really want to keep this square root of x, so when we do our work, I'm going to, in my mind, remember this is x to the 1/2. Okay, that'll be easier when we're adding our exponents. Okay, so what should we do next? Well, we could either use the product rule or we could FOIL and take the derivative. There's two different ways to do this. Let's try something new. Let's just go ahead and FOIL first. Okay, so here we're going to FOIL first. We could go ahead and do this, but what if we did this? Let's try it out. Okay, so here we go. First times first, we have 8x to the 5th. All right. Outside times outside, we're going to have a 4. And a 2 plus 1/2 is 2.5. Okay. That was outside times outside using this one. Inside times inside, minus 6x to the 4th. And then last times last, using this one right here, we have minus 3x to the 1.5. Okay, so, now when we take the derivative, we can go ahead and take the derivative of each term. So that makes it easier in this case. So we take the derivative of 8x to the 5th, bring the 5 down, we have 40x to the 4th. 4x to the 2.5, 2.5 down, gives us 10x to the 1.5. Take the derivative here, we bring the 4 down, negative 24x cubed. And we bring our 1.5 times a negative 3. And what's that going to give us? Negative 4.5. And remember to minus 1.5. Okay, so that's our answer. All right, now let's do that same question using the product rule.